Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings, then go to System and choose Power and Battery to view power options. This method works on Windows 10 and Windows 11 systems from Dell. Scroll to the Battery Settings area and expand See Additional Power Settings. Select Related Settings, then choose Additional Power Settings to open Control Panel. In Control Panel, pick Change Plan Settings for your active plan. Choose a balanced or high-performance plan to prevent power-saving interventions on your system. Open Dell Power Manager from the Start menu or System tray to modify vendor controls. If the app shows adaptive mode, switch to custom or off modes to stop automatic throttling. Adjust the thermal management setting to cool or optimized to reduce aggressive power-saving behavior. Save your changes and close the app to apply new power rules immediately. If Dell Power Manager is not installed, use Windows Update to check for available drivers and the Dell support website for the latest utility. Enter BIOS by pressing F2 during the Dell logo at boot to change firmware power options. In BIOS, find Platform Power Management or Deep Power Saving features and disable them cautiously. Save changes and exit to let Windows boot with new settings applied. For battery longevity, set charging thresholds in Dell Utilities so charging stops at 80% when needed. Verify Sleep and Hybrid Sleep are disabled for plugged-in operation to keep the PC fully powered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.